Good morning. My name is Nicholas, and I agreed to do a testimonial for Klaus Roofing because my experience is one of the best I've ever had with a tradesperson. The reason we decided to have it is where we live, we call it Windy Ridge, and the wind can be 60, 70, 80 miles per hour or more. And we had pretty significant wind damage to the shingles that we had on before, that they actually were blowing off. So it needed to be done. First of all, it was an older roof, but more importantly, even though it was a so-called 50-year roof, it was not done appropriately. It was not only not done appropriately, there was no ice shield that prevented the ice backup. The other thing people ask me is, why did I come to Klaus? Well, first of all, I'd like you to know that I interviewed 5 different roofers. And so the comparison at the end was very easy for me. It was about the quality and the efficiency and the consistency. First of all, everyone was punctual, right on time, every time. The second thing, the tradesperson who first came out, Patrick, was phenomenal. He went through every reason why Klaus was probably one of, if not the best roofing company. Everything from the grade of the material, the highest in the shingles, and what they do, and they have a project manager here the whole time it's happening. And Diego was the one that came out here, and he answered every question that I had, and he stayed with me until I was satisfied. We also had new skylights put in, and he monitored every aspect of them putting it in, both from the inside and outside. I really loved it because I watched them every single moment of the time. They came out with over 17 young people that were efficient as ever. And not only that, what I liked about Klaus was that after they pulled the shingles off, they actually nailed with shank nails all the plywood back, which was wonderful. And then secondly, they tape every single seam before they do the ice shields, the 6 foot of ice shields, the valley shields, and the rest of the waterproofing up to the top. And then I watched them as they put the shingles on. They didn't skimp in one corner. And not only that, the drip edges were much larger than any other drip edge, and they did it again with the shank nails. So all of that was so very impressive. How they handle it, how they covered all my shrubs, what they did afterwards, picked up every nail, and they worked from basically dawn to dusk and were as efficient as can be. I wouldn't hesitate at all to recommend Klaus Roofing to anyone. Highly recommend.